All right. Now for the doodles.
Okay, put them down.
So that one's Felix. You can see Benedict. He stands out pretty easy because, well, he's the only red merle. Lucky Charm is the big blue merle right there. Felix. That little one is Genesis.
What about this one?
That's Benedict. And then Fresh is the dark blue merle right there. Yep. All right, hey, let's get up and walk around. See if they'll follow you. Oh, they like you, huh, Kenny? They haven't discovered. Oh, they spotted the horses. Good potty. There you go, Benedict. That one's Fortune.
Trying to not step on them.
And then Genesis. What? You got 3. You got half of them. Oh, they're so fast, aren't they? They think they're fast. Hey, Benedict.
They all like me.
All right, let's walk slow down this way, huh?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Well, they zoom. No.
Good job. Oh, Fresh got stuck back there. Here she comes. Hoppity hop. Yes, good Fresh girl.
Good Lucky Charm. Benedict. No.
Look at you get a little independence in you, huh, Lucky Charm? I didn't see that coming. She's gonna have a really pretty coat, huh? Yeah, look at that fluff already. Look at that fluff. They've all from Missy are set up to have furnishings, but some are late developers is all.
I got a rowdy.
Fresh is just stunning with those blue eyes.
Lucky Charm. Lucky Charm.
She's being cute, isn't she? Yeah, she is super docile. Now, does Felix have blue eyes? That one right there? Let me see. Yeah, you check him out, Dad. Yep, that one.
No.
It's got blue on the bottom. Yeah, that's what's tripping me out. I'm like, you can see it just right.
A little chip.
Yep, on both eyes, huh? Look at that. Look at that in that corner. Yep. You got cool, very unique eyes, big guy.
Benedict. No, that one is.
Benedict's the little,
This one.
yep, red merle. Guess he doesn't really look that little compared to the rest of them, huh?
Lucky.
Well, compared to Lucky Charm. Lucky Charm and Felix are slightly bigger.
Benedict.
He's over there, honey.
Oh, no,
Benedict is on
No.
doing, yeah, good potty.
They all want to go over there.
Oh, off. Miss Independence over there. Fortune. Oh, Lyman spotted us playing with puppies. Hey, what are you doing? Did you discover that there's a horse?
Oh,
Huh?
dear.
Yeah. Yeah, you gonna clean that up for me?
But how?
Grab some hay and just put it over the top.
Okay.
That way we don't step in it. Not like we have extra bags around here.
Mom. No one likes me.
Well, hello. A little rambunctious. Oh, and Felix again. Yes. They're doing really good though, aren't they?
Lucky Puppy. Lucky Lucky. That's better than
Oh, we're gonna get horses talking to him now. Gonna get horses talking to him.
That one's coming.
She's so docile. Oh, there we go. Meow.
Look at Lucky Charm.
Let's see what they do with the cat. Come here, Genesis. She managed- Oh, of course a horse turd. And zero fear of Bert, huh? Meow, kitty, 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 kitty.
Running after me. Oh, yes.
Meow.
Lucky Charm wants to stay with me.
Show him the cat, Gene. Meow.
Are on their own feet. Stop walking backwards.
Like, that's interesting. Well, nice. All right, I'm going to put this one on YouTube. I'm going to cut it off and do a little short one so that I have one to put on Good Dog for everybody that's interested. Hope you enjoyed.
I'm gonna do the poodles.